Hello, welcome to our channel. Say hello, Richie.
Hello.
Now look.
Jigsaw puzzle.
Zigzag. We're doing Toy Story first. Yeah?
Yeah. That's my favorite.
Is Richard's enjoying to do all the puzzle?
Yeah, and I'm fast.
And you like it, aren't you? You can relax to do all the puzzle. I'm not good in puzzle.
I
So, mommy's help or mommy's gonna watch only Richie doing it?
watch it.
Okay, mommy's in our
Bike trip.
home learning, isn't it? We did this morning.
Yes.
Our home learning, what we did,
Yeah.
we did math, English, phonics, and topics. What's the topic about dinosaurs, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we did.
Where's
Then we've been out
Bumblebee?
for 45 minutes just to get out at the back of the garden. Cycle, isn't it?
Where's Bumblebee? I think this.
That one. Well done, Richard.
I did his hat.
Yes.
And look, that goes there.
Oh, well done.
And this is Bumblebee.
Okay. Okay, boss.
Yeah.
Boss. Kiss mommy, boss, babe.
Look, this is his finger.
Yes, this is fingers pointing past B. You don't want mommy help?
Don't want mommy help.
Pogi.
Poggy. I see that.
So what's his head?
Look. I think that
Look at the picture.
this goes on his head. That I see his eye.
I think this one, that
Yeah.
one, yeah.
I need that tip too.
So that
Yeah.
one, well done, mommy. Oh,
This fell. I don't know.
so
Oh, that's his finger.
let's connect together.
This. Watch.
You want me to watch him only.
I think
Well done
in there,
together, yeah.
and I have to take. Look, I can just.
This is eyes. That one, well done. What's the next?
That's his foot. I did his foot.
Yeah, which
What-
one?
where's
Where's the other? Is
Where's Bumblebee's thing? I need to do Bumblebee's head. This. I think this goes here.
Oh, well done.
That's his. I did that.
Oh, well done. So
I'm.
cursor.
I think his leg fit.
Nearly complete the number 3 puzzle. Yes. What's next?
I did that.
Well, quickie. You shouldn't. All done.
I did 3.
Is it that one? That's
Yes.
it.
And this.
Which one?
I think this goes here.
Do it the outside first.
I think this goes. Nope. Look at that. Now this goes. How am I correct? That.
Well done.
Oh my god. Nope. Look, this goes. Look, this goes in there perfectly good. That. Almost.
Almost. That's be quick, isn't it? If it's the last one, the last puzzle is more quicker. You did quicker than
Done.
3. Well done, all the 3. Sure, Richard.
Look, good.
Well done. It's connect.
Look, this goes in.
Yes.
I
So where's this No, this one is. Oh, dear, Mommy find it. That's the one.
You faster than Dad.
Yes?
Yeah.
Daddy, I'm faster than you. Oh, I think that's wrong. That's the one. It's not the one yet. Oh, this is his head. Yeah, I found it. Oh, this is relaxing to do.
Yeah.
If you're stressed, do the puzzle to get you.
I think this goes.
No, that's the wrong one.
I think this goes there.
What is his tail? Ah, this is the monkey's tail in here. So this is gonna go along here.
I think.
What's this one? No, that's his. I think this is one of his foot, monkey's foot. Yeah.
Look, I did.
I think. Oh, I found it. That's the monkey's foot, and I think this is the end. Look, this is the monkey.
Look, I did that there.
Oh, well done. I think that's the one in here. It's gonna fit in there. No, that's not. Richard is.
I think
That one. Yeah, we got one piece is left. So the end, one piece is left. Where are you?
Where are you?
Where
Look,
are you?
look, I'm finding it. Look.
Is it the one?
Oh.
No.
Mm,
Oh, there,
no.
there. Richard is there. That's the last piece. Yay! Well done, Mommy and Richie. So that one is done.
We
Put that one in there. Put it. That's one above. So what's the next? What picture we need to do next?
Now that
Dora is a mermaid. Wow. So where's that's gonna go? That's the other side, Rich. Here.
Oh, okay.
That side.
Yeah, I need to take
No, that's above.
Nope.
No, that's in the other side. That one. There's the monkey and the lady. That's it.
I did it like you did. Now, I just did that.
Well done.
I'm so good at puzzles.
Yes.
Nope.
No, that's the ending lang ga. Messy.
I think that is it.
Yes, Mommy found it. So,
I think the monk. Nope. I already just did that one. I think that is white.
Messy. The
Mummy.
this one is in this side.
Mummy.
That's mine. Yeah, Mommy found it.
Yeah.
That side.
And I
So,
think the monkey. No.
this the yellow thing. This one is in that side. This need to be there.
Nope.
Mommy found it, Reg. That's the ending. Wow. Well done, Mommy. Oh, Rich, I found it, the end. Oh, Mommy's is getting better.
Look, I'll show you. Done.
Wow.
Yeah. I think.
Is this the... Mommy found a piece. Wow. We got 2 more, Rich.
Yeah.
Here we go. Yay, Mommy found it.
And I can just.
Is it that one? I think it is the other side. Yay! One's get excited when oh, mommy's so excited. Yay!
I won!
Well done.
I won!
Okay.
I won! Yay! I won!
So we done our second puzzle of Dora the Explorer. So which next we gonna do, Reg? Is it Dora is having a picnic with the monkey?
Leaves.
Or she's playing in the autumn leaves?
Yeah, leaves. Oh, these are leaves.
Which one? We do this one first?
Yes.
Okay.
And there's the leaves. I'm doing the leaves, Mummy, and you doing the rest of that. Look, Mummy.
Yeah, all the bottom. Do it all the bottom first then. So, that's mommy's.
Look.
Oh, look. Mommy. See, mommy. I already formed, then it will connect then. I think. Richard. This one is in here. Look, mommy found some pieces. That's it. So.
Oh, look, I did that. I think I'm
You're good at it. Palang lang.
I think that
You found it? Well done.
I think this goes here.
No, it's different.
I think.
Well done. And
Oh my!
one more. One more. Oh no! I found it. Yay! We done it. High five, Richard. You see, it's formed now, so you can do it now.
I want to see. Oh, that's just juice. I think this goes here.
No, I think that's Dora's skirt in here. In this,
Yeah.
that is head.
I don't know if it goes.
There's a drink in the bottom.
Yes. No.
Connect his socks first. Look, no.
Oh, that goes in
The juice.
Oh, look, I did that.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I am good.
Nearly.
I think.
You're near the head.
I think this goes here. Nope.
Okay. And where's that one? This one is his skirt. Look, it's gonna go in there.
I think this.
No, Richard, all the edges, that one is the color. It's not in there. That's it. Oh, well done, mommy. Well done, mommy.
I think this. Nope.
Cheers.
Oh, well done, mommy. So,
Well done, Richie.
where's the end?
Well done, Richie.
Oh, I think I'm gonna take it all.
Oh, well done. What's the next, Richie? Can you finish off? Wow.
Where do these go?
That's the juice. Where the juice is. No, other way around.
Other way around.
That's it. 2 more.
I think this goes.
No, that way. No, other way around.
I think.
Other way. That's it. Okay. Yes, we've done it.
Yes, we beat Daddy and Wave.
Show the all the puzzle.
Yeah.
We've done it all the 2 different puzzle for today.
Now let's
And
take
please click the bell buttons so that you will notify when we post a new video. And thank you. See, bye-bye.
Bye bye.